Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s squared minus number 4. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2, so we put number 2 going here. That's it from here. So 2 squared minus number 4, you got number 0. When s equals to number 10, we put number 10 going here and we find the value of u. That is about u equals to number 4 with the square root of number 6. So number 2 we change for number 0. Number 10 we change for number 4 with the square root of number 6. The square root that is about u. S ds we change for u du. And now we simplify the integration of du that is about u. And then we put the bounds from 0 to this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.